Such a nice day to work on the car. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. You guys should see my gloves already dirty because we've been working on the car. Transmission is gonna go into this car. So if you guys are new to the channel, or if this is the first video you see, this car is 6-speed swap. It is manual transmission. Don't mind the mess. Manual transmission. So the problem we have is our slave went out. So we got this car all torn apart. You guys can see my let's see, my stage 2 clutch. I don't know, you guys can see it through here. Yeah, stage 2 clutch. Today's the day that we are gonna be putting the transmission back. So we got the new slave, new line, same fittings, everything should be good, new sensors and everything. So what we're gonna do is right now we're gonna take this over there and we're gonna put it back. Hopefully we can get it running all in one day. Stay tuned, guys. Whew. All right, guys, you can tell the motor's like slanted, but we actually got the trans in. Let's see, it's right there. Transmission is in. All right, I want to show you guys. So I got one bolt here, you can't see it, but anyways, a bolt here, a bolt here, another one here, and then like 2 more over there. So what I got is this, some Loctite. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put it on the thread, not too crazy, but a good amount. This locks the bolt in place. You know, we race, we do this, we do that, and plus the other plans that I got for this car, I don't want nothing happening. What we're doing is we're just presenting all the bolts, guys. I didn't film putting the transmission in because, one, it was a little bit of work and it's just me right now, and also camera was gonna get in the way. I won't be able to show right now the rest, but there's a bolt here and there's one up there if you guys can see the hole, but we're gonna get it. I gotta get the camera out because yeah, it's in the way. All right, you guys see this? This goes to the transmission, this bolts onto the transmission, and this bolts onto the transmission mount. I had to take this off to take off the transmission because it would not budge because of this piece right here. So I had to take that off, and now we're gonna put it on. Guys, the camera died, it has no battery, it's charging right now, but this is like not that interesting. You guys, you know, just put it on, mount it up, and when the camera charges, we'll be back. What we're gonna do is I'm gonna jack up the transmission side just to lift this side up, and I'll put the motor mount back on. That way everything should be good. Okay, transmission's on, motor mount's on. They rigged my starter too. It's like all the way over here. I don't know if they're supposed to be like this. They cut it, taped it right here, so I gotta fix that. All right, day number, I don't even know. Frame is on. You guys saw the struggle. Axle is on. Well, finishing putting it on. Motor's already held by its own motor mounts. So next up, we have to put these wires together. I'm gonna put these wires together to connect to the pigtails, to go to the sensors. I'm gonna do that, then put all these cables together. Then we're gonna have to bleed the clutch. You guys saw that the first time, how to bleed it. What else? What else? Connect the battery, the tray, fill the trains up with fluid, just things like that. Well, this is different. So, yeah. Intake's on. Car is like halfway down. Everything's over here. It's all tilted. So everything is on the transmission. I put this on. Honestly, I got so frustrated I forgot to record because this thing, I did not know how to put it back. It was so frustrating. I got that's done. All my wires are on. We're gonna check the car for oil, make sure it's gonna oil before we start it. But I wanted to show you guys. Oh, it's okay. We got a new one over there. I wanted to show you the process of putting transmission fluid into your manual swapped Maxima. So here's what we got. This is the transmission fluid we're running. It's Redline MT90. This is the one my tuner Gerson uses. He recommended this one. Ever since I got the swap, that's what I run. And honestly, I've been good. So that's what we're gonna do. There's new fluid. Fluid's in here. It's gonna suck up the fluid from here into the pump through this side all the way out into the transmission. So that's what we're gonna do. Let's see if I show you guys, cause and that's it. I'm gonna get rid of all this mess, clean it up a little bit so I can tighten that and just dry it up. And we're ready to get the first start with the new slave and the trans back. What a mess. Jesus, I gotta clean this garage. It's a brand new house and look at the floor. It's insane. Anyways, guys, everything's on. Battery, intake, no leaks on the floor. So far, reservoir still has the fluid. Everything should be good. So what you guys gonna hear now is the cold start of the car. A super cold start, cause this thing hasn't ran in like 2 weeks. Subscribe and follow me on Instagram. Without further ado, guys, here you go. her to warm up a little bit. Alright guys, we are driving. Thank God no check engine light, nothing. But we are back. We are back. I miss this car so much. Just listen to this. Car feels good. Car feels smooth. We're taking a little drive just so we can, you know, get the car on the street, see how it does, and check to make sure everything works. I already did a pull. Oh man, that was nice. Spun first, spun second, tripped third, probably spun a little bit. Oh, this is awesome. I love it. I can't believe I left my house without tools. Wow.